Hello and welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to change your name server at NameCheap so that you can connect your domain with your web hosting provider like BlueHost, HostGator, or any other web hosting company. Here I am inside of my NameCheap dashboard, and if you're with any other domain registration company, they all work in a similar way. Once you log into your customer dashboard, look for something called Nameservers and then find a way to change the name server or add a name server. And for NameCheap, all you have to do is click here, this drop down box, and then click on Custom DNS. Most hosting provider will give you two name servers, as you can see here, Nameserver 1 and Nameserver 2. But some of them may give you 3, 4 name servers, and you can come here and click on this add name server if you want to add more. But again, the majority will give you only 2 name servers. And to locate your name servers, look for your welcome email right after you purchase your web hosting plan. Like from here, BlueHost, they will email you your receipt and welcome email. Just look in your welcome email for your account information. They may send you a couple of different welcome emails, one for the customer account and then one for your cPanel account. But the name servers should definitely be in one of those emails. And here you will see information about your hosting, domain, and FTP information. And down here we have the name server. We have 1 and 2. So all you have to do is copy this. And again, any other web hosting provider, HostGator, will give you very similar looking name servers like ns1.hostgator.com or ns number.whatever web hosting provider.com. So after you copy that, go back to your NameCheap name server and paste it in just like that. And now do the same with name server number 2, just like that. And then click on the save button. And in NameCheap, there's a check mark for the save button. Click on that. And then you get a success message right here. It says it may take up to 48 hours to take effect. And that is how easy it is to change your name servers, to connect your domain to your web hosting provider. If you want to check out more of my NameCheap tutorials and also BlueHost web hosting tutorials, check out my playlist links down below. Thanks so much. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And thanks again for watching.